This WordPress video is all about adding this animated border to your WordPress Gutenberg site. You can add that border to any of the elements in Gutenberg, and it just makes a nice effect, and it's all through CSS. I did this through my shorts, and I was rushed, so I wanted to do a quick video on just the slowed down version. To get started, I was on freefrontend.com in the CSS border animations, all of these free snippets. I'll leave the link in description. This one from Tamani Afif, you just look at the demo and the code. It takes you to CodePen.io. I will leave this in the description as well, but all you need to do is copy the hover class and this hover instruction here. Once you copy that, we can then go to our customizer. And I'm using the Astra theme, but if your theme has, mine's behind my camera, but it's additional CSS, and then paste that in. You'll notice a few things that I changed in this code. So in the template, the border is 8 pixels, and to get the more laser effect, I went with 1 pixel. And then in the second line, instead of border image, this whole instruction here, I removed that and I replaced it with a border color. And I used a kind of a light pastel purple to go with the rest of the theme. You can see right now it's using the this instruction down here, and it's using this barbershop red and yellow and orange thing. So that's what this border image is doing. So that's why I moved it to just a single color. Once you add that hover class, all you need to do is publish it and then add it to the any element in Gutenberg. So we're going to edit the page, and for example, for this button, just click the button, go to advanced, and then additional CSS classes, hover. This is a Spectra block here, and I think I did the same thing. No, actually it's just a regular media Gutenberg block. And then further down, I created this from a Spectra template. So I gave these featured boxes the laser as well. And how I did that was insert before. I put in a template kit from the Spectra plugin, pattern, features, and I just used one of these features blocks, this one here. You import that. You'll notice you either have a black template or a white template. But you see, you can use the black template to get the idea of what you're looking for. It goes from dark to just slightly lighter. And so I went with a dark plum to slightly lighter plum to fit my theme. So I just kind of copy what they do to get started, and then yeah, once you have that, then you click on the group that you care about. Let me remove that. Click on the group. You'll see it's in columns. First column I didn't do anything with. Second column has more groups, so I click on that group here, which is feature 1, and then I add the hover under advanced again for that group. Add hover. Go down to the second group, which is this one. Add hover to that. Go down to this group, add hover to it, and this group here. So you can see you can put the little laser around a header, you can put it around a paragraph. It works really well if you have like a button or just a square like these groups. Go ahead and update that, and we'll see what it looks like. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, let the algorithm know.